Hello students, welcome to the online tutorial for Vidyavan Higher Secondary School. Today my topic is the solving of the book exercise of class 10 biology. I have started with the solving of the book exercise for class 10 biology in my previous video along with the worksheet video. So I'll continue with that thing today also. Okay, so let's not waste any more time and start solving the book exercise of heredity and common genetic diseases for today. I had done till number 10 in my previous video, till number 10 of the MCQs in my previous video. From today I'll start with number 11. Before starting with number 11 of MCQs, I want to tell the important diagrams to you so that you can practice it in your home. Okay, so with the heredity chapter, heredity and common genetic diseases chapter, you don't have to do any diagrams for that chapter because that chapter is genetics. You mainly have to do all types of process, monohybrid, dihybrid, genetical cross, everything, any type of genetical cross you have to do. But in case of continuity of life, there are lots of diagrams that you need to do. First of all, that is the diagrammatic structure of the chromosome. Okay, you please mark it down, note it down in your copy. Okay, diagrammatic structure of chromosome, eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Okay, next is that diagram of the cell cycle. Okay, diagram of the cell cycle. Next is different phases of mitosis in plant cell, different phases of mitosis in animal cell. Okay. Next is that cytokinesis, process of cytokinesis in both plant and animal cell. After that, you have to do alternation of generation, that word diagram. I think this was given in a worksheet also. Alternation of generation word diagram in farm. It's very important. Okay. Next is that different parts of a typical flower. Complete flower, different parts you have to do. Next is that double fertilization, the process of double fertilization. Okay, that you have to do. I am telling this diagram. I'm talking about this diagram. Okay, this diagram you have to practice. Okay, next is that in the growth and development there is no such diagram. So all these diagrams you have to do. Okay, I hope you have noted down carefully. Now let's not waste any more time and start our MCQ portions of heredity and common genetic diseases from number 11. See, in my book, as I have told you in my previous video also, that this is my old version book. Okay, that is why my page number is 143. Now I think most of you will be having new version book in which the page number will not match with my book page number. Okay, so let's start with the MCQ portions now. Number 11. Which plant had Mendel selected for his experiment of heredity? Pea plant. Answer. Number 12. What will be the character of F1 generation if we crossed between a pure tall and a pure dwarf plant? Obviously, it will be a hybrid tall. If I will cross a pure tall and a pure dwarf plant, the answer will be hybrid tall. How? I will show it to you in the board. So pure tall and pure dwarf, this is P generation. Now gametes are coming out, right? Now they will intercross, these are gametes. So capital T, small t. This is the F1 generation. So it will be hybrid tall, okay? Next, number 13, number of chromosomes present in man, obviously 46. Number 14, how many types of contrasting characters Mendel selected in pea plants? 7 pairs. Okay.
Number 15, what is the primary constituent of heredity? Gene, without any doubt. So number 16, how many types of offsprings do we get if we cross between two hybrid black guinea pig? How many types of offsprings we will get? Okay. So this is P generation. Gametes are coming out. So if I do this cross, how many types of offsprings we will get? One will be pure black, two will be hybrid black, and one will be pure white. Okay, so we are getting 3 types. So answer is 3 types. Got it? I have done it directly over here. Okay. If you want, you can follow the steps. I have done it directly over here. Okay, next is 17. If we cross between two hybrid tall plants, then how many types of genotypes we will get in the F1 generation? This is also 3 types. You just see hybrid tall plants in case of P. Same thing, same. So 3 types. Okay, what is that number I have done? Number 17 we are done. Number 18, what is the phenotypic ratio of a monohybrid cross? 3:1. Number 19, plants with how many genotypes will be available in the F1 generation when a cross is made between two hybrid tall plants? This is just the previous question. 3 types. Okay. Number 20, hybrid plants contain one recessive character, that is number D, one recessive character. 21, the character which is not expressed in F1 generation is called recessive character. In the F1 generation, the recessive character is not expressed. Got it? Okay, next is that 22, contrasting pairs of different characters having same locus in the homologous chromosomes are known as alleles. We all know that. Next is 23. What is the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross? We all know that 9:3:3:1. This is the phenotypic ratio. Okay. Next is number 24. Permanent change in hereditary material. Okay, and appearance of new character is termed as the mutation. Mutation is the change in the chromosomal segments. Okay. 24 is done. 25. How many percent of hybrid tall plants do we get in F1 generation if pure dwarf is crossed with hybrid tall plant? This we will see. So this is the question that hybrid tall is crossed with the pure dwarf. This is P generation. Gametes are coming out. So in the F1 generation, what we will get? How many hybrid or what is the percentage of tall plants we will get? So we are getting one tall and one dwarf. This is gametes. This is F1 generation. So we will get 50% tall plant. Got it? Next, number 26. The monohybrid genotype 1:2:1 in F2 generation indicates which law? That is the law of segregation. Okay. Number 27. How many paired characters of pea plant did Mendel observe for his experiment? Obviously 7 pairs. The genotype of dwarf pea plant is small t, small t. So this is the genotype of the dwarf plant. Number 29. What is the main genetic material of our body? Obviously DNA. Who coined the term gene? Johansen. Okay. Number 31. From the following options, choose the correct option which denote a normal male. So we know that 44A plus XY. This is the normal this is the genetical constitution of a normal male. Got it? Okay. Number 32. The pea plants produced from the seeds obtained from a cross between hybrid tall and pure dwarf will be same thing. You see, I have done till the F1 generation na? In the previous question. The same question is repeated so many times. Now, if I will do the cross with this in the F2 generation, capital T, small t, small t, small t, then what will I get? See, 50% tall, 50% dwarf. So, same thing, 50% tall plants we will get. Okay, so option C. So, here we are ending with our MCQs portion. Now, I am keeping this video for till this much. Okay. In my next video, I will continue with the next portion of the chapter. Okay, thank you.